In this video, we compare HS440 Foldable FPV drone and DJI Mini 4 Pro combo. By the end of this video, we hope you will know which of these two products suits your needs. The Holy Stone HS440 Foldable FPV drone is a versatile device equipped with a 1080p HD auto-adjustable camera that offers a wide-angle lens for capturing stunning aerial scenery. With a robust modular battery, the drone provides an extended flight time of up to 20 minutes, allowing you to explore and capture more of your surroundings. Despite its compact size, the HS440 is packed with intuitive and advanced features and comes with a handy carrying case for easy portability. The HS440 drone ensures a streamlined and safer operation with features like automatic takeoff and precise hovering, along with the excitement of one-key high-speed rotation. The drone is perfect for beginners, boasting intelligent functions such as emergency stop, headless mode, and altitude hold, alongside user-friendly features like long flight time. Priced at $84.99, the HS440 drone promises a new adventure with every flight, making it an excellent value for money. The DJI Mini 4 Pro combo is a lightweight drone that doesn't require registration for recreational use, making it an ideal choice for beginners and hobbyists. It offers stunning 4K 60fps HDR video capabilities, capturing striking footage of sunrises, sunsets, and night scenes with remarkable clarity. The drone features omnidirectional obstacle sensing, significantly reducing the risk of collisions and providing a safer flying experience. With the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus, the DJI Mini 4 Pro can achieve extended flight times of up to 45 minutes per battery, enabling longer, uninterrupted flights. The drone provides real-time, high-quality aerial footage with 20km FHD video transmission, offering immersive, lag-free viewing experiences. The DJI Mini 4 Pro also offers customizable intelligent tracking with active shots 360 degrees, making it easy to capture smooth, professional-grade videos. When comparing the Holy Stone HS440 Foldable FPV drone and the DJI Mini 4 Pro combo, several points of distinction emerge. Both drones are designed with beginners in mind, but they offer different features that could cater to varying user preferences. The HS440, with its 1080p HD auto-adjustable camera, is a robust choice for capturing scenic views, while the DJI Mini 4 Pro combo, with its 4K 60fps HDR video capabilities, offers remarkable clarity for capturing striking footage. The HS440 boasts a flight time of 20 minutes, which is impressive for its price range. However, the DJI Mini 4 Pro combo significantly extends this with a flight time of up to 45 minutes, offering longer, uninterrupted flights. The HS440 provides features like automatic takeoff, precise hovering, and high-speed rotation, making it a fun and easy-to-use option. Conversely, the DJI Mini 4 Pro combo offers advanced features like omnidirectional obstacle sensing and customizable intelligent tracking, which enhance safety and the overall user experience. The HS440 is an excellent value for money at $84.99, while the DJI Mini 4 Pro combo, priced at $159.00, offers a more premium, feature-rich experience. Ultimately, the choice between the two would depend on the specific needs and budget of the user.